As you can see, I don't know what to play. I'll pick oh, the gunman. I think he's strong. Vision magic. Dude, you can't do anything. Watch. Oh my. Get out of here, bro. Hey, bro. What's this? Alright. Oh. No. Vision. No, head cannon. Ouch. So we gotta run. Run the run, bro. You can't do anything against me. Watch this. Ja! Oh, wait, I was able to do that? You know what? I'm gonna test this out. Oh, okay, you're ready to attacks. Ouch. What the heck? Oh. Watch this. Well. Give them no more bullets, bro. Wait. Oh. No, bro. No, I'm so good. Watch this. Evasion magic. It got bundle. Give me like a second, guys. I'm so dead. I forgot. Pick a new class. Okay. Gotta eat ya. You know what? Evasion magic. Ouch. My evasion magic is ouch. Bruh. No. Chainsaw. Ouch. That did nothing. I am so dead. How do I save myself? The Roach Man. Wait, he's actually cooking. Deep smash. Do I have to like top smash? It's like a boss fight. I'm becoming a boss fight, bro. Bro, you really just missed. Evasion magic. Bro. This Roach I hate this guy. Like teaming up. I feel like I'm a boss for some reason. No, bro. Okay. Now I'm gonna switch games, but I'm becoming the math guy. Ooh. Agam. No, wait, let me call. Indoor. No way, bro. Yeah. Food and scream. Bro. Wait, what time is it now? Bro, it's 9. Oh no, I gotta sleep. Bye guys. It's gonna be me. Just gonna do this like one final thing. Transform.